Okay, sweet. I got it fed underneath. Okay, awesome. So I managed to get that cable fed underneath the center box here and underneath the carpet. So now I can run it to its respective sides and get it set up to plug in whenever I'm ready to mount the valve pieces. I guess that's pretty much it for up here in the car. I'll wait to put everything back together in here once I'm finished up and got everything all snapped in and buttoned up. Really don't know what I'm gonna do with this 10-foot piece of wire though. Part of me is half tempted just to cut it up and splice it. That way I can shorten it up, because I really don't need all of this wire. Granted, I can pull a lot of it out and just have it sitting underneath my seat, which is another viable option. So I'll cross that bridge later when I get to it. But yeah, as far as up here, that's just about all I need to do at the moment.